Alright, what's up folks? I've got this cool product that you definitely need to put on your radar. Its design is all about that modern, minimalist premium look. You know, the kind of thing that usually makes your wallet just looking at it. But guess what? The price, it's way more affordable than you'd ever think for this kind of top-notch quality. You're gonna be like, no way. And the versatility, oh, it's a dream. Perfect for the office, cozying up your home, or scoring major points with a gift. Check out all the juicy details in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Catch ya on the flip side.